Hi dear doctors, welcome to the classes of Pediatrics. I am Dr. Parv, your pediatric faculty, and in the kids coverage series we are doing pediatric infections, and today's infection is Erythema Infectiosum. Now what is Erythema Infectiosum? So Erythema Infectiosum is actually based on my name. So my name is this, and if you just write like this has become the etiology of Parvovirus. Parvovirus is actually the etiology which is responsible. Parvovirus is the cause which is responsible for causing what? For causing the Erythema Infectiosum. Erythema Infectiosum. And you know what? This parvovirus is something which I can't forget in my entire life, because it is responsible for giving like this appearance, and this appearance is actually called as slabbed cheek appearance. Slabbed cheek appearance. So whenever I read this topic of Erythema Infectiosum, I always remember my mother who used to give me this appearance. Okay, so this was a little in brief. Okay, this was little in brief, and the name of the virus is actually Parvovirus, P-A-R-V-O. So 5 letters, and you can remember that Erythema Infectiosum is also called as fifth disease. Erythema Infectiosum is also called as fifth disease. What I should say, it's a slab cheek appearance. You saw, the rashes were there. So it is a illness which is actually a febrile illness with rash, which is caused by Parvovirus B19. Parvovirus B19. So just a quick review of microbiology. Parvovirus B19 is a non-enveloped virus. It's a icosahedral capsid and linear single-stranded DNA virus. So please remember, parvovirus, just like me, I am also single right now. So single, that means single-stranded DNA. Okay, single-stranded DNA. My life is an open book. I don't have any kind of envelopes around me. So it's a non-enveloped virus. It is a non-enveloped virus. Okay. I am not round, twisted like helical. No, I am not. I am just a very straight line. So simple. Icosahedral symmetry. That means it is not having what? It is not having the helical symmetry. It's a icosahedral symmetry. Very simple. Coming on to incubation period, I was always either first or second in my class. So either first or second in my class, 1 to 2 weeks of incubation period. Okay, coming on to pregnancy. So please remember that P for pregnancy, P for parvovirus, Parvovirus B19. During the first half of the pregnancy, please understand, during the first half of the pregnancy can cause fetal demise and even the hydrops fetalis. So please remember, parvovirus, if it is coming in the first half of the pregnancy, it can cause hydrops fetalis. Hydrops fetalis. And classical rash, I have told you, it is going to give you which kind of appearance? Slabbed cheek appearance. Okay, slabbed cheek appearance. So this was all about the parvovirus B19. Thank you so much. But as I always, not always, but yeah, in many of my videos, I have left you with a question. I will ask you, what is the first disease, second disease, third disease, fourth disease, fifth disease, okay, and sixth disease. Just let me know. And if you guys give a correct answer in the comment section, I'll bless you with a mnemonic to remember all of them. Thank you so much, and God bless you.